Everyone is very upset while Mom is eating and drinking. All the whining in the world. Hi, Luna. Yes, hi. Well, we've weighed them all, and we've named them all. And that's going to go on the website soon. They just don't know what to do without Mom. Yeah. Mom's got to take a little break. They're so tiny. There they are in their little pool. It's Luna's dog dish, which looks really big in comparison. Hey. Hey. Stay over here. There we go. This guy's napping. There's Mama. Hey, Mom. Mom. Luna, you can't do that. Luna's always very concerned when her puppies are making noises. She wants to keep them warm, toasty. Little roly-poly. Alright, that's enough.